What is your name?
My name is Murtuza Sharif, and my nickname is Murtuza. You may call me Murtuza.
What do you do?
Actually, I am a regular student.
Do you like to see the sky?
Yes, I like to see sky whenever I get free time and go outside. At that time, I see sky.
Okay. How often do you look at the sky?
Around 30 minutes.
Do you prefer the sky in the morning or the sky at night?
I think I prefer sky in the night. At that time, we see properly star.
Can you tell me your morning routine?
Actually, I wake up in the morning at 5 a.m. and may go to washroom and make ablution and fish my face. And after that, I uh, came back my room and then perform salah.
Which is the best day of the week?
I think it's Friday.
Do you usually wake up early on Friday?
Actually, Friday is the holiday. That's why that time I not wake up in the morning and that time I sleep a long time.
What was the last book you read in your life?
Last time read Spoken Fighter book.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming. It's my childhood memories.
At what age did you learn it?
Maybe it's 15 years old.
Okay, Mr. Murtoja, this is the end of your test. May Allah bless you with thousands of achievements.